Today we are going to discuss this question. Which aqueous solution has the highest concentration in moles per cubic decimeter of chloride? Let's conquer this question. We know concentration is equals to moles divided by volume. What does this mean? This means concentration has a direct relation with moles. This reflects the bigger the mole, the highest will be the concentration. The bigger the mole, the highest, the greatest will be the concentration because it has direct relation. Concentration and moles has direct relation. So we can find moles first of all. So 0.1 gram per cubic decimeter. So let's convert this into moles, 0.1 gram. The molar mass of HCl is 36.5. So its moles. Moles will be 0.00274. This is the moles. Remember, this is per cubic decimeter. Per cubic decimeter volume is 1 cubic decimeter. So when I divide moles by volume, the volume is 1 cubic decimeter. So when we solve this, the concentration will be 0.0027 mole. And this is mole per cubic decimeter. And this is the concentration of HCl. So for chloride ion in HCl, there is one chloride ion. So this will be the concentration of chloride ion as well. So we can say 0.00274 moles per cubic decimeter is chloride ion concentration. For option B, first of all, we will find moles. So when we will find moles, moles will be 0.00171. So when I divide this moles by volume, I will get concentration. This is 0.00171 moles per cubic decimeter. In NaCl, the chloride ion ratio is 1:1. NaCl is 1, chloride ion is 1. It means chloride ion concentration will be this 0.00171. This is chloride ion concentration. Now for KCl, first of all, we can find moles. Its molar mass is 74.5. So its mole will be 0.00134. This is the mole. So when I divide mole by volume, 1 cubic decimeter, I will get concentration of KCl. And in this concentration of KCl, because KCl, it shows the ratio 1:1. 1 KCl, 1 chloride ion. So chloride ion concentration will be same, 0.00134. This is chloride ion concentration. Here, so when I find its moles, its atomic mass is 208. So moles will be 0.00048. So when I divide this moles by volume, concentration will be 0.00048 moles per cubic decimeter. Now in barium chloride, you can see guys here, there is two chloride ions. So it will give me two chloride ions. So concentration of chloride ion will be 2 times 0.00048. So when I multiply 0.00048 with 2, I will get 0.00096 moles per cubic decimeter chloride ion. Now guys, you can compare. In option A, chloride ion concentration is 0.0274, while in option B, chloride ion is 0.00171. In option C, chloride ion concentration is 0.00134. In option D, chloride ion concentration is 0.00096. So option A has the highest concentration of chloride ion. So we will choose option A. If that question makes sense, Okay, otherwise you can also ask question in a comment section, or you can contact me for one-on-one coaching lesson as well. Now, this takes time, and I think you would not like to spend time for 1 marks question. So there is the quickest way as well. But here I am just trying to explain this. Now let's try quickest way. Let's see, does it work or not? I'm going to erase all. So here I now concentration is equals to moles upon volume. So concentration is directly proportional to moles, right? Or I can say moles is equals to mass over molar mass. So I can write concentration is equals to mass over molar mass. Here I will not write volume because volume is same. One we can see one thing here, concentration and molar mass has a inverse relation. Like concentration and molar mass, they have inverse relation. Concentration and molar mass has inverse relation. Mass is same. So concentration and molar mass has inverse relation. It means the smaller the molar mass, the greatest will be the concentration. So you just need to find molar mass. Here this is 36.5, here 58, here 74, here 205, 208. So the concentration and molar mass has inverse relation. It means the one having the lowest molar mass, the smallest molar mass, it will have the highest concentration. So you see, HCl molar mass is 36.5. So one can say it must have the highest concentration. This is without going into solution, without going into calculation. One can do multiple choice question like this by establishing or by figuring out the relation between few quantities. Like here, I am relating concentration formula moles upon volume. I now mole is equals to mass over molar mass. On this behalf, I can say I can write like that concentration is equals to mass over molar mass divided by volume. Volume doesn't matter because every option has same volume. Mass doesn't matter because every option has same volume. The thing is concentration and molar mass because they have different molar masses. So they must have different concentration. Concentration and molar mass, they have inverse relation. Inverse relation means, guys, what does inverse relation means? Inverse relation means if you decrease one quantity, other will increase. Like molar mass is the smallest, concentration will be the highest. So in option A, concentration is highest because HCl has the smallest molar mass. So this is I am trying to explain. If it makes sense, okay. Otherwise, no problem. Everyone is open to ask question. I also offer one-on-one tutoring session. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.